Hello and welcome to the first video in our ServiceNow IT Asset Management series. In this session, we will introduce you to the core purpose of ITAM, why it matters, and how ServiceNow empowers you to manage assets smarter, not harder. Importance of asset tracking in ITAM. Let's start with one of the most foundational elements of ITAM, asset tracking. In today's complex IT environments, businesses are dealing with hundreds, if not thousands, of hardware and software assets. These includes laptops, servers, licenses, cloud resources, mobile devices, and more. Tracking these assets efficiently or effectively is the key to controlling cost, maintaining operational efficiency, and ensuring compliance. And ServiceNow ITAM offers powerful tools to make this easier than ever. Let's break this down. Asset inventory. ServiceNow provides a centralized place to list and track all assets so you always know what you own. Then lifecycle monitoring. From procurement to retirement, every asset's life is visible and manageable. Then real-time updates. ServiceNow dynamically updates status based on usage and configuration data. Then accurate records. By integrating with other ServiceNow modules, you ensure that assets data is always up to date and trustworthy. Proper asset tracking gives you organization better control, reduced errors and redundancy, and a clearer picture of IT operations. Asset visibility and optimization in ServiceNow. The next key benefit is visibility and optimization. It's not enough to know that assets exist. You need to know how they are being used, where they are located, and whether they are providing value. ServiceNow provides a centralized dashboard that gives IT and procurement teams one place to view assets across the entire organization. Then role based access, ensuring that only the right people see or manage the right assets. Then real time insights into usage and health status driven by integration with Discovery and CMDB. And usage analysis that helps identify underutilized or obsolete assets so they can be reassigned or retired. This level of transparency helps IT departments identify inefficiencies and take corrective actions quickly. Then, asset cost optimization using item data. Every organization wants to optimize cost, and item plays a big role in that. By using ServiceNow item, companies can reduce unnecessary purchase and gain full control over IT spend. How? Through cost tracking, where each asset is linked with its purchase cost and current value. With budget control, ServiceNow helps teams avoid overspending by forecasting based on real data. Depreciation analysis helps finance teams understand when to refresh or dispose of assets. And cost saving opportunities become clear when you find unused software licenses, duplicated tools, or over provisioned hardware. With ServiceNow item becomes not just a tracking tool but a strategic enabler for finance and procurement. Managing compliance, security, and risk by ITAM. Lastly, ITAM is essential for maintaining compliance, improving security, and reducing. Imagine filling a software audit just because you did not have visibility into license usage or losing data because our decomposed laptop was not wiped properly. ServiceNow helps organization avoid such situation by enforcing policy compliance, automatically flagging assets that fall out of alignment, ensuring audit readiness with complete asset histories and documentation always available, supporting risk mitigation through real-time alerts for unauthorized assets or insecure configurations, and enabling license tracking to ensure you stay within vendor contract limits. A well implemented item system in ServiceNow gives you peace of mind and protects your organization from legal, financial, and reputational risks. To wrap up, IT asset management is much more than just keeping track of hardware and software. It's a strategic function that improves visibility, reduces costs, ensure compliance, and ultimately drives better decision making. With ServiceNow, all of this is streamlined through a single platform that integrates ITAM across your entire ecosystem. In our next video, we will explore core value of centralized ITAM. Thanks for watching.